Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Windows Security because this is the control surface for real-time protection. Press the Windows key, type Windows Security, and open it. Once inside, choose Virus and Threat Protection from the left column so you land where protection toggles live. Next, click Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings header. This moves you to the exact controls that let you disable real-time protection temporarily. Proceed carefully and make sure you have reason to change this behavior. You now toggle off real-time protection to stop active scanning. Click the switch to off and, if prompted by user account control, accept the elevation to apply the change. Be aware that Windows treats this as temporary and can re-enable real-time protection automatically after a restart or update, so if you need it off for a task, schedule that task immediately. If you run third-party antivirus, consider pausing its protection instead of uninstalling. That reduces risk and preserves your security posture. You finish by confirming the status shows off in the settings and then perform the action that required protection disabled. Once done, make sure to re-enable real-time protection immediately. Click the switch back to on to restore continuous defense. If the setting reverts or you cannot toggle it, check for group policy, Intune, or enterprise management locks. Those centrally enforce protection and require admin change. If problems persist, reboot and retry. Then consult your administrator for policies or permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.